Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the communicator so the update won't fail. Connect external power or ensure the battery is at least 50% to avoid interruption, and export or write down current configuration. That way you can restore settings if needed. Next, download the exact firmware package and its release notes to your computer, because mismatched versions can brick the unit. Once done, install the vendor Hart utility on your PC and verify the USB or serial drivers are recognized before connecting the 475. You now transfer and install the firmware. With the Hart utility open, choose the correct COM port and identify the 475. Put the communicator into update mode exactly as the manual describes so bootloader will accept the file. Begin the transfer and watch progress indicators. Files often verify after transfer, so wait for verification to finish. If the utility shows errors, note codes before taking action. Make sure not to disconnect cables or power cycle during write and verification steps. You finish by rebooting and confirming the update succeeded. Allow the communicator to complete its startup and automatic checks, then verify firmware version in the About or Diagnostics menu to confirm. If settings changed, restore the backup or re-enter critical parameters. Make sure communication with Hart instruments is re-established. If the update fails or device won't boot, enter recovery mode and retry the firmware flash. And if that doesn't work, contact vendor support with error logs and firmware version for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.